In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clickfunnels with Activecampaign. We're going to walk through a simple, clear process to connect your Clickfunnels account to Activecampaign so your leads can automatically flow into your email marketing system. By the end of this video, you'll have the integration set up and ready to use in your funnels. Let's start inside your Clickfunnels account. From your main Clickfunnels dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the option labeled Workspace Settings. This is where you control most of the behind-the-scenes configuration for your account. Go ahead and click on Workspace Settings to open that area. Once you're in Workspace Settings, you'll see a menu or list of options related to your workspace. What you're looking for here is integrations. This is the section where Clickfunnels lets you connect to different third-party services like email marketing platforms, payment gateways, and more. Click on Integrations to move to the next step. Inside the Integrations section, you'll see a list of supported applications that you can connect with Clickfunnels. These are usually grouped by type, and Activecampaign will appear under the email marketing or email service provider category. Scroll through the list until you find Activecampaign. When you see it, select Activecampaign to start setting up the connection. At this point, Clickfunnels will guide you through authorizing the integration. You'll be prompted to log into your Activecampaign account if you're not already signed in. Make sure you log into the correct Activecampaign account you want associated with your funnels. After logging in, you'll see a screen asking you to allow Clickfunnels to access your Activecampaign data. This permission is what lets the two platforms talk to each other, so contacts, tags, and other information can be passed from Clickfunnels into Activecampaign automatically. Carefully review the permissions, then confirm or authorize the connection. The exact wording may vary, but you'll usually see a button to approve or allow access. Once you click that, the integration process will complete in just a few moments. When the authorization is successful, you'll be redirected back to Clickfunnels, and you should now see Activecampaign listed as an active integration inside your workspace. From here, you'll be able to use Activecampaign in your funnels, adding it to opt-in pages and forms so new leads are sent directly into your email lists and automations.